Hey everyone, check out this Kryvaline professional face painting kit I got my hands on. It's packed with rainbow split cakes, stencils, brushes, glitters, the whole shebang. Now, split cakes are a game changer, especially if you're into one-stroke designs. You can load up a flat brush or sponge with multiple colors at once, and boom, instant awesome. This palette has a bunch of popular color combos, so you've got options. What I really dig about Kryvaline paints is how skin-friendly they are. They're hypoallergenic, non-toxic, and vegan-friendly. No animal testing here. Plus, cleanup is a breeze with soap and water or even baby wipes. Perfect for little ones and grown-up ones who don't want to spend forever scrubbing. Now, if you're a beginner, don't worry. Kryvaline has tutorials on their YouTube channel, showing you how to use these split cakes and create some seriously cool designs. I've been face painting for a while, and even I picked up a few new tricks. They even mentioned some big names in the face painting world who use these paints, like Lucy Brouillard and Lisa Joy Young. Pretty impressive. The glitters come in these spill-proof bottles, which is a lifesaver. No more glitter explosions all over your workspace. And the stencils are a great starting point if you're not super confident in your freehand skills. They give you a nice outline to work with. I've been playing around with this kit for a few days now, and honestly, the colors are vibrant, they blend really well, and they stay put. I wore a design all day, and it didn't smudge or fade, which is a huge plus. The brushes are decent quality too. They hold their shape and don't shed bristles everywhere. Overall, I'm really impressed with this Kryvaline kit. It's great for beginners because of the tutorials and stencils, but it's also versatile enough for experienced face painters. The quality of the paints is excellent, the colors are gorgeous, and the little extras like the spill-proof glitter bottles and the skin jewels just add to the overall value. If you're looking for a solid face painting kit, definitely check this one out. It's a winner in my book.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.